what will be the first term of coefficient? How can you find? First, divide the greatest indices of variables. This is 2t to the power 4, and here it is t square. Greatest indices of t is t square. So if you divide it, what you will get? You will get 2t square. So the first term in the coefficient will be 2t square. Right here 2t square. Now multiply this one by, you divide, as you divide you can divide in this way. So 2 into t square, 2t square into t square is equal to 2t to the power 4, and then plus minus minus 2 3 is 6 t square. This is t cube, so write in front of this one, plus minus minus, and then 3 into 2t square is equal to 6 t square. Now let's subtract it. This is minus, this is plus, so this term will be 0. And now what is left? Right here it is 3t to the power cube, and this is plus and this is minus. So we do subtraction. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So write here 4, because 6 is greater than 2, so that's why this sign we will use. It is 4 t square. Now what will be the next term of quotient? Again do it by the same way. 3t cube divided by t square. Then this will be equal to 3 t square, only 3t is left, and this is positive. So write here plus 3t. Now multiply 3t cube and plus minus minus 3t. But this is, here it is t square. So write this number in front of t. Minus 3 3 is a 9 t in front of this. Now subtract it. This is minus, this is plus. This term will be 0, and here it left 4 t square and plus 9t, and here it is minus 9t. So this will cancel. Only what is left here? This will be cancelled. So minus 12 is left. Minus 12. So let us find the next term in the coefficient. This will be again by the same process. 4t square divided by t square. That will be 4 plus 4. So write here plus 4. 4t square and plus minus minus 3 4s are 12. So change the sign because you are subtracting. This is plus. So both the term will be cancelled. So it is equal to 0. So this is the factor. Since the remainder is 0, so this is the factor of the next. Since the remainder is 0. If it is 0, then it will be the factor. Therefore, t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t to the power 4 plus 3t square, 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is the factor of t square minus 3 is the factor of this expression. Let us solve the second part of this question. Divisor is x square plus 3x plus 1, and dividend is 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Let us find the first term of the quotient. What will be the first term of the quotient? So divide this term, divide the highest indices of dividend by divisor. So 3x, this is 3x to the power 4 and this is x square. So divide it. You will get the first term of the quotient. This is 3 x square cancel, only x square is left. So this is 3x square. The first term will be 3x square. Now multiply 3 into x square is equal to x to the power 4. 3x to the power 4, then plus 3 3 is a 9x cube plus 9x cube, and then plus 3x square. 3x square. So subtract it, minus minus minus. All the sign will be changed because you are subtracting. So this term will be 0. Both the terms are having same coefficient and variables. So this will be 0, and here it is plus 5 and here it is minus 9. So negative sign will be there because 9 is greater than 5 and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Always subtract smaller number from greater number, and this is x cube. Both are like terms. You have to see that they are like terms or they are not in like terms. If they are like term, then we can add or subtract. So minus 1 and minus 1 both are negative, so you can add it, 10x square. Now write the next one, plus 2x. What will be the next term in the quotient? Divide the highest variables divided by x square. Then this is minus 4x. So the next term will be minus 4x. Now minus 4x into x square is equal to minus 4x cube, and then plus minus minus 3 4s are 12. X into x is x square, and plus minus minus 4x into 1 is equal to 4x. So subtract it. This is plus, so it will be minus, so it will be plus. Here also it will be plus, here also it will be plus. This term will be 0. This is plus and this is minus. So you do subtraction. This is equal to 2x square, and here also it is plus, and both the number are positive, so we can add it, 6x. And what is left? Plus 2. Now what will be the last term of this quotient? Divide this, 2x square divided by x square. Then it will be 2. So divide by 2. 2x square, and then 2 3 is 6 x. First you multiply its sign, then constant, coefficient of variables, and then afterwards variables. Okay, then it will be plus plus plus, and 2 into 1 is 2. So negatives, all the sign will be changed, all the terms is 0. So what is left? We get 0. Therefore we can say that, therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 is the factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. This is the factor. If remainder is 0, then that number is the factor of the given number. In the next video, we will solve the next question.